Hind Friends, welcome to Ace Gadgets. In this video we will talk about Dell Inspiron 3501 i5 11th generation laptop. It comes with i5 11th generation processor. The processor series of this laptop is 1135G7, which is considered good for multitasking. It comes with a good amount of storage, which is 256 GB of SSD for fast booting and good performance for this PC, and 1 TB of hard disk drive where you can store your files. It has 2 GB of Intel graphics, which is already installed in it. It also has anti-glare display for better picture quality and user experience. Talking about the RAM, it has 8 GB of DDR4 RAM. This laptop also comes with inbuilt Windows 10 and Microsoft Student Edition. On the right side, it has Kingston anti-theft lock for protecting the PC when it is placed on the shelf or for display purpose. It has one USB 2.0 slot and one memory card slot. Mainly, this slot is for large memory cards, which is being used in DSLR. On the left side, it has one charging port, one HDMI port, one RJ45 LAN port for connecting LAN cable of your broadband, but obviously we guys are going to use Wi-Fi, so this one is for emergency purpose only. It has two USB 3.0 port and one 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back side, there is a high cooling space point. As we can see, it has speakers on the downside. At the end of this video, I'm going to share some kind of valuable information, or you could say that is a bonus information for you, so please see the video till the end. Now it's test and review time. First of all, we will do one finger test to check its build quality. You can see one finger test fails. It means it has average quality of cabinet. Now let's do boot up time test. Boot up time is fast. It took less than 10 seconds, which is good for i5 processor as compared to other PCs. As we can see, it has anti-glare display, due to which picture quality is totally awesome, which moving forward towards the sound quality, the sound quality is also good, as well as this is too loud. Now let's go ahead and check the configuration and the properties of this laptop. As you can see here, the model name is Dell Inspiron 3501, having 11th generation i5 processor of G7 series, having 8 GB of RAM and genuine 64-bit Windows 10 operating system. Here we can see operating system is installed in SSD of 256 GB of storage, and there is 1 GB of hard drive for storing other files, which is good to save some amount of money as well. The shutdown time is also good, it shuts down within a second. Now it's time to share the bonus trick for today. You can extend your laptop warranty for up to 2 years. That means this laptop comes with 1 year of warranty. You can add 2 more years for the warranty. For this, you just have to go to Google, search for Dell warranty check, where you can verify the warranty details as well for your laptop. Fill the product ID, which you can find in the backside of this laptop near the battery. Then click on extend warranty, fill the form and submit it. Next day you will get a call from Dell support executive. They will offer you 3 years of warranty in 1599 rupees, but after bargaining they will do it just in 599 rupees plus taxes, which is 18% GST amount. By paying this amount, you can cover your laptop warranty for 3 years, I think, which is good for nowadays. If we will talk about pros or advantage of this PC, the processor speed is good. It has SSD for faster processing and good user experience, and also it has extra 1 TB of hard disk drive for storing the files. It has inbuilt graphics, display and sound quality is totally awesome. Price is also good as compared to HP or Lenovo. It has large keyboard along with the separate numeric keyboard. If we will talk about the cons, the build quality is not too much good, that is simple like older versions of Dell. This PC is little bit heavy. If we will talk about the price, you can purchase this laptop anywhere in between 54,000 to 58,000. It will depend upon the sales. In summarize, we can say this is a good laptop for students who wish to switch from dual core or i3 to i5. You can do all kind of official work, so this is highly recommended for new startups, small businesses as well as for the professionals. Personally, I don't like the weight, but you can carry this PC. This is little bit heavy. If you wish to go forward, then go for it. If you are looking forward for an upgrade, then check out my another video, which is Dell 5409 i7 11th generation laptop review video, and you can find the link in the description as well as at the end of this video. Jai Hind friends, see you again in the next video.